Let's get ice cream.
Oh, ice cream, Dad. Okay. Okay, smile. Cheese.
We got it on Wednesday, remember?
나 밀안노 그런 말이고.
I'm gonna get yellow.
Yellow? Cheers. Mint and caramel.
Thank you. Thank you.
What flavor is it? Are you so cold?
That's it.
That's what I would have picked. What did you get? What flavors?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Nummy nummy. Can I have a lick?
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's go. Look at mommy. Did you have a good beach day? Thank you.
Hello, Carlies. To like the strawberry cart, we got us strawberries, like this much strawberries, and so we were like, oh, we should do a baking competition. We're not going to eat all of these ourselves. And so me and Mom and Nora and Dad, so me and Mom were a team, and Nora and Dad were a team, and Ava and Olive were the judges. And so first me and Mom went and we made strawberry cupcakes, vanilla white chocolate cupcakes with strawberry frosting. And Nora and Dad,
We made cookies with white chocolate, marshmallows, strawberries, everything in one cookie.
What would you do this when you made that jam that one time?
Maybe different.
Yeah?
yeah, wait,
Now we.
okay.
Okay. Ready? Let's take a bite together, okay?
3, 2, 1, take a bite, take a bite.
Okay. I don't think so nice.
Which one?
The cupcake. With the frosting. You want to eat it? Do you want more?
Oh, yeah, I want. You want a cookie?
Yeah, just put more sugar in.
Okay. Oh, this is so warm.
It's warm.
Yeah.
I don't know which one. Maybe I should try them
Oh,
out.
you could have a
Okay.
cupcake 1 minute.
I want.
Here, take your time.
Okay, guys, over here.
Try it.
So she can score in private.
Olive needs to score too. Olive, do you like it?
Do you like the cupcakes or the cookie better?
Okay.
Okay, so for the cupcake, Olive says. No, cookie.
Olive, cookie or cupcake?
Which one? What's your favorite? What's your favorite?
Cookie.
Cookie!
Wait, what she said cupcake first.
What do you guys think about
Oh,
that?
I know. I always knew I loved her.
Yes, Olive.
Oh, can I have strawberry sugar?
Four.
Presentation was 4.
Out of what?
5.
Nice.
For the taste, 4.
Nice.
Nice.
Olive.
Wow.
For the cookies, for the presentation is 3.
Yes!
For the taste, 4.
Nice.
We won.
For Olive, yes.
Yes, best in show. Love it.
Won.
So ours wasn't very sweet. Theirs were sweeter than ours were, surprisingly. But Olive still liked that cookie. So Ava liked the cupcake more, and Olive liked the cookie more.
So it
But
was a
I
tie.
would say it was more of a tie, I feel like. But I feel like I was more of the judge. Olive was just like the taster.
Olive was the assistant. Like she was the host. Olive was the host. Her vote doesn't really count. I think. It's always fun to see how it turns out. It's not always really pretty, but it tastes good.
So
Good job, team.
okay, I'm my cookie.
It's our.
It's fine. They probably smelled it. Where are you taking video of our neighbors?
Oh, I'm just gonna blur them out. Blur them out.
I said blur. I said blur. I'm not wearing shoes.
You guys should say see ya.
See ya.
Bye bye, Carly's.
That should be our end.
Yes,
Bye
bye,
bye,
Carly's.
So hello, Carly's, and bye bye, Carly's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye bye, Carly's. Catch you on the flip side.